In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate SharePoint with Jira using a connector app available through Jira's marketplace. This process will help streamline your workflow by allowing seamless data sharing between these two platforms. So let's get started, shall we? First, you'll want to open up your web browser and navigate to Jira. Once you're there, you'll be greeted by the familiar dashboard where you manage projects and track tasks. The first point of action is to move your mouse over to the left-hand navigation menu where you'll see various options. Click on the one labeled Apps. This will open up a drop-down list of all the options available under the Apps category, which are essential tools designed to augment your Jira experience. Next, you're going to click on Explore More Apps. This button will whisk you away to the Atlassian Marketplace. It's a treasure trove full of apps that can integrate with Jira to make your life a whole lot easier. But since we're focusing on SharePoint today, let's get right to it. In the search bar located at the top of the page, type in SharePoint Connector for Jira. Hit Enter and then browse through the results to find the right app. When you spot it, go ahead and click the app name to delve into its details. Once you're on the app page, you'll find a detailed description of the app's capabilities, reviews from other users, and some screenshots to give you a better idea of what to expect. But what's most important here is the big button that says, Try it free. This feature is quite handy as it allows you to test the app and ensure it meets your needs without any upfront commitment. Clicking on Try it free initiates the installation process. Depending on your browser and settings, you might need to grant some permissions or follow through a couple of additional installation prompts. These steps are generally intuitive, but always remember to read each message carefully to avoid any unintended changes. And just like that, once the installation is complete, you're now equipped with the SharePoint connector, ready to enhance your productivity by linking Jira with SharePoint. This integration can significantly cut down on time spent on redundant data entry and bring all your necessary information into one cohesive space. With that, you've successfully completed the setup. I hope you find this integration as useful as I do. It's all about making processes smoother and allowing you to focus on what truly matters, delivering awesome results on your projects. If you have any questions or run into any issues during the installation, feel free to explore the support resources available in the app's description page or reach out to their customer support for further assistance. Thanks for watching and enjoy the newly connected functionality of your Jira and SharePoint systems.